I express my gratitude towards Congress President Rahul ji. They have taken a decision with the blessings of Madam Sonia ji. We will change Kerala. We will bring the Kerala as a number one state in India. Thousands of workers and leaders work together as a single party. I have already stated to you that our team UDF is the model to the entire country. I have been in the assembly for the last 25 years. My party has given me a chance. But somebody is not getting that opportunity. That is happening everywhere in all the parties.
What I'm asking is, what about mega investments? How can you attract them?
You know, Mr. Narayan, how deeply they are loving.
What are you doing to promote the service sector? And of course, the overall theme, which is how do you improve employment in Kerala and ensure probably a reverse brain drain?
I have been in Singapore for a long time.
Kerala has a lot of brain drain going outside. Is it possible for you all to hold your own people here and give them the jobs that they want?
We have the coast on one side and the hills on the other.
Predicted or not predicted, unpredictable the subject. The matter is the diversion of the integrity, credibility in the food oil.
In between, there is plenty of wetland and forest land as well.
Right.
44 rivers.
Is it convenient and comfortable for you? Agreed?
Agreed.
So in reality, there is only about 35% of the overall area of Kerala is available for people's use.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനോട് എനിക്ക് വെറുപ്പാണ്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷുകാരാണല്ലോ ഇന്ത്യ ഭരിച്ചത്, നമ്മളെ അടിമകളാക്കി. ആ വെറുപ്പാണ് എനിക്ക്.
ഇനി ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഡയലോഗ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കരഞ്ഞു പോകും. ഉസ്മാനെ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടോ.